Welcome to this week's video where we go to Disneyland and ride our final ride of Splash Mountain.
Cheese. No, I'm lactose intolerant. I don't say cheese.
Elena speak. Yay!
It's the best day ever.
Thank you.
Alright. Ellie, we're here. We made it. I'm hungry. What do you want for lunch?
Man, I want that one tofu thing we had inside that place.
We are at Starbucks waiting in this very long line for the kafafi.
No what?
That's right, no nothing. 'Cause you don't know nothing.
Shush.
We planned on getting corn dogs. This is the line for corn dogs. I don't know about that. We have coffee. Corey has water. Dad has coffee. Ellie has nothing. But we're getting ready to go into Tiki Room. Showtime! Making our way downtown. We're making our way to Indiana Jones. Since I've been here last, they've made some renovations to the ride, so I'm excited to see what new things they have added.
And rocketry addition.
Going to meet up with everybody at the Haunted Mansion store, but really good additions to Indiana Jones. Like fantastic things. They added some like electricity portion to it. Just made things more vibrant. What are you doing? Oh man.
I'm choosing
Which one?
Madame Leota.
Nice.
Because everyone needs a floating head.
If you don't have a floating head, like what are you doing with your life, you know?
Doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out.
To see their terror with ghoulish delight.
2019 was the last time that I rode Splash Mountain, and little did I know then that it would actually be my final time riding Splash Mountain, because Splash Mountain is being revamped into Princess and the Frog, and I guess it is what it is, you know, they gotta revamp new things, add new things, but like, you know, just make a new ride, but you know, they don't really have much space over at Disneyland. I had an opportunity to ride Splash Mountain once more before it got shut down for all the revamps, but I'm extremely happy that this is my last memory of Splash Mountain because, cue the clip. God! No! You are so... Dude!
No, my pants are jeans. Do you have jeans on?
I need new socks. It's all in my socks. It's all in my socks. Oh my god. See, and before we got on the ride, my uncle and I were having a conversation saying, alright, we're gonna be in the back, we're gonna be strategic about this, we're not gonna get wet at all. And then as we're like talking, we're going through the line, all of a sudden we're at the front and we just had that look of it in our faces of just, oh no. And to this day, this has to be hands down my most favorite piece of content that I've ever recorded at Disneyland. But fast forward to 2023, the final ride of Splash Mountain. There's right there.
Oh, damn it!
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, oh, that's not too bad.
A little bit, not so bad.
That's not too bad.
Only my pants are drenched. Yay!
Nice.
We did good.
Wow.
And
Come on,
the
let's go.
bags on our feet were genius.
Yeah?
It's my waist down. Everything else is fine.
And that was Splash Mountain for the final time that we'll see it, at least, because they're switching it to Princess and the Frog soon. See, I didn't go this time around, and I'm okay with that. Because the last time, well, you remember last time. And now we are going towards Space Mountain. Gonna go to the Star Trader first and hang out there for a bit, and then to Space Mountain, because that's our final ride of the day at Disneyland. After we went on Space Mountain, we hopped on over to California Adventure. First place we went to was Little Mermaid, and then we just messed around in line, I guess. Hello. This segment of the video is called Attack Ellie. That was a crazy sequence. Action, explosion. Hey, don't you start with me.
Ellie time. It's Ellie.
What you said?
I took Mason's camera.
I can keep my ironing board down, so there's an ironing board in the wall. You open up this door, and the ironing board comes telling me that
Mason.
I think everybody went on Guardians. I personally don't like the ride, so I went and tried shawarma. First bite. It's pretty good. Shawarma. Alright, Elle's not feeling all too great today, so she was asking me to buy this. I said no, so I thought it would make her day. It was only like 40 bucks. Hey, you did it! I did it! I did it! I got it!
Snap. I dare you to snap.
I can't.
That's awesome.
Put it on.
I'm gonna try.
So,
oh, it's too small, too big, too small for my
it's shawarma. Try it. It's just chicken.
I don't like chicken.
Ow.
Try it. It's just chicken. Oh, I got some we can all try.
That hurts my hand, actually.
Wait, where's it from?